Hey everyone, welcome back. This is another tutorial video. Today we are looking at how can we utilize green screen footage on Premiere Pro. So this is for beginners. Basically, if you have no real knowledge of how this kind of stuff works and you just opened up your first Premiere Pro project, this is what it's going to end up looking like. It might change its appearance and also we're going to be using the editing tab up here. Another way to go there is go workspaces from window and then select editing. I think this is what it looks like by default, and I've never used these resources, but I'm assuming since they're from Adobe themselves, it's probably pretty good, so it might be worth looking at. But anyway, we're gonna get into actually how to do it. Basically, the first thing is you're gonna need to understand the concept of the green screen. The green screen is something that's gonna be masked out of the video that you're gonna be using. So basically, first of all, you need a source. And we have one here. This is just a file I downloaded off the internet. All right, so basically, like it's shown here, you're gonna need a source footage. You're gonna need something and then a green background. So this can be accomplished in real life by using green walls or a proper green screen like this. Usually you're also going to want to light them properly. You're going to want the color to mostly be very similar on video. So this is perfect footage because it's green. So now that we have this, what's going to happen is we're going to essentially get rid of all of this green and all you're going to see is the tiger, almost like a transparent image. You know, a PNG file, it's exactly like that. So we're going to move this up so that we can put this on the top layer, right? We're going to put an image here, and that's basically what the tiger is going to walk on. So we're going to drag the image in. This is just a random stock image of a jungle. And then you're going to want to go over to your effects here, and then you're going to want to type in Ultra Key right here. On other editing software, it's also called Chroma Key sometimes, but on here it's Ultra Key. Drag and drop that onto you're going to want to drag and drop this onto the footage with the green screen on it. Now that we've added it, we're going to want to go over to where it says key color, and right now it's black, but we're going to select the dropper tool and we're just going to highlight this green and click. And as you can see, it has completely gotten rid of the green and now it's just the tiger. So let's play the video. Anyway, so it's super simple. Just like that, you can have a green screen. You can do crazy things, wacky shenanigans, who knows what, but you can do a lot. Sometimes if your Ultra Key is not all one solid color, you can actually put a key color on one of them and then another Ultra Key. And this way you'll be able to use two different shades of a color maybe. If there's like a part of the video where it's this color and a part of the video where it's this color. Keep in mind, this will probably start cutting out other parts of the video, not just the green. Just be mindful of that. And I think there's another setting somewhere. Oh yeah, okay. So the setting, you can change it from default, relaxed, aggressive, or custom. It's basically as you would expect. Aggressive would probably use more shades of this specific color. I'm gonna bring up footage with a green screen actually. Just 1 second. This is a clip and I wanna show you in live action footage how it looks. This is what we're actually going to want to focus on in the video, and maybe a little bit of this if possible as well. Let's just get a small sample clip so we can work with it. We're going to do Ultra Key. For the background, what we want to do is create a color matte. And we're just going to say, okay. And this is where we can choose a color to go into the background, which is going to be the green screen. So let's do like a bright red so we know it works. We're just going to call it color matte, and then we're going to drag it right underneath here. So this will be our background. If we see that the Ultra Key is working, then it should be red. So we're going to select that. And I mean, it definitely works. As you can see, you know, it's not perfect because obviously there's some shadow, so you would have to fix that with proper lighting, but to be honest, looks better than I thought it would. Let's play around with the settings. Let's see, can we get it? So aggressive definitely goes a little bit harder, I think, right? Yeah, way more. Okay, shadow. That almost removes the shadow. That basically removes the highlight. But as you can see, the more you start to turn settings like these up, the more you'll start to see just your normal video starting to get fucked up. I don't really see any green there, but I don't know. I guess. Okay, there we go. So I guess we accomplished what we wanted to do. You know, what's kind of weird is it even looks like there's a red shadow. I'm not exactly sure how the fuck that works, but as you can see, it's also targeting these lights up here. No idea why. I guess there's probably a little bit of green in there. It just goes to show it basically all depends on the scene. The lighting is very important and it needs to kind of stay a solid, consistent color if you want it to look good, especially on like a real life video like this. If it's animated or if it's like a 3D kind of video that you computer generate, that's a different story. You can do that a lot easier. So anyway, thank you for watching. This was way longer than I thought it would be. Have a good one, guys.